Introducing Snacky Wonder from JML, the amazing 2-in-1 snack and drink sensation you can take anywhere. Forget clumsy trips and messy spills. Snacky Wonder lets you have your favourite drink and snack all in one hand. And the sealed lid means your snacks stay fresh and stay in the cup. Snacky Wonder's clever split design holds your liquid and snacks together. Plus, the airtight seal and straw cover stops liquid from escaping, making messy and sticky spills a thing of the past. Snacky Wonder can hold a whole bottle of juice and a whole bag of your favourite snacks. Don't you just hate it when this happens? Thanks to Snacky Wonder, there's no spillage, even when knocked over. Kickstart your day the healthy way with a fruit juice and snack combo. Or give yourself a burst of energy at the gym. Snacky Wonder's sealed lid means your snacks stay in the cup and not on the floor. Perfect for your kids' football game, family holidays, or long journeys on the road. Now you can make all that kids' mess a thing of the past. Choose from 4 amazing colours. The whole family will love. Snack happy and mess free with Snacky Wonder from